given to Mother Daughter Tandem when her daughter, medical student, joined the junior citadel members of the SJW unit. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate from Vicariate of San Pedro Bautista, Sister Elenita Rodriguez.
Is proudly represented by ex-candidate Sister Edwina R. Santuario to the CWL Diocesan Church for the CWL Lady Sarsons. Sister Wen, as she is lovingly called by her family and friends, hails from Quezon and had joined the Catholic Women's League of Christ the King Parish of Barangay Veterans Village in Project 7, Quezon City in 2015. She has been actively serving the League in its all programs, most especially in social outreach activities. For numbers, logistics, and her organizational skills have truly been optimized. Ladies and gentlemen,
Victoria G. Asper. Sister Maria Victoria G. Asper is a mother of two. She is 53 years old, a daughter of POD Sister Nilma Galian. She serves in St. Joseph's Shrine as the unit president of CWL. She's also a choir member with her husband and a caracoler in St. Joseph. They are all driven by faith, whose motto is Amare et Servire Domino. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate from Vicariate of St. Joseph, Sister
Sister Daisy Ann Alvarez strives to live her life in purpose, guided by her faith in God and a desire to grow each day. Being a sister, mother, a grandmother is an important part of who she is, and she values the time and connection she shares with her family. At the same time, she believes in continuing to learn, reflect, and improve herself in everything she does. She appreciates the simple moments in life and approaches others with positivity, sincerity, gratitude, and a heart that cares for both her family and the people around her. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Vicariate of Holy Family, Sister Daisy Ann Alvarez. Sister Salome A. Centeno. Sister Salome is known to everybody as Ate Sally from the province of Malasiqui, Pangasinan, a devoted
There you have it, our CWL, Ladies of Substance. Program first because our ladies deserve something. They deserve to be serenaded. And our special guest, none other than our OP.
This another lady of substance. Parang bibilis ang ano natin ha. Tayo ay may